This is a code challenge for white. It seems like a connection problem / making a living shape problem. So white really needs to calculate. You play the Atari this way, and seems like there might be something going on here, but black can play this move. And now white is all dead after number 8. Of course, you're hoping black would play something like this, right? This way, white will be able to live this way. If black Ataris, white can still cut black off with number 11. So white wants to get to this shape, but this is not the right sequence. So you might try this as well, but it doesn't really help. In the spirit of a connection problem, which is playlist number 6 here on my channel in this book, the correct first move is right here, this so-called bumping move. It's a really interesting move. Now, depending on where black goes, white can adjust its own strategy, right? So black really only has 3 moves, here, here, or here. Black plays here, now we'll go to the ideal pattern that white is hoping for, right? This way, white will be able to connect this way, or at least make a real eye by capturing number 2. So white can succeed after 1, 3, and 5, and 7. Of course, you can say black can start a code with number 4, and that's correct. White will capture here, and black has no local code threats. If white wins, white will just capture one of these stones. If black captures back, does white have any local code threats? The answer is probably yes, right here. Black captures. Now, of course, black can connect here, and the code will develop this way. So get slightly more complicated. So that's one way to make a code. But if black plays here, this will be easy for white. White can just Atari and stand down here. And this very nice shape is something you should remember. Always a real eye. So when black plays here, you play here. Black plays here, you cut it off. So white can live if black plays at number 2 here. Last but not least, this move. This move is pretty sharp, as we saw. But actually, in this situation, white can extend, saving this stone. And now black must connect here, otherwise it'll be cut off. And now the code should be pretty obvious because white can play this. If black connects here, canceling the code, white can throw in here and capture black in a connect and die. And this will be at least one real eye. So black would just connect here, white captures first. But is this the optimal result for white? Not quite, because if you're white, you probably want an extra code threat, local code threat here. So maybe throwing in here is better, right? This way, black finds a code threat elsewhere, and this is one extra local code threat. If you do not play this throw in, you do not get to this local code threat. So these are the details that you should think about when doing these problems, and in real games as well. And the code will go on like this. So overall, not too easy finding this bumping move. If you've done enough of those connection problems, this is definitely something you should try. And after finding number 1, the rest of the sequences should be relatively easy. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.